3 asanas for fitness, good health, maintaining gut health, always good. आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगेगा तो आप एक बार आपका दोस्त के साथ शेयर करो।
सब अच्छे हो और सेफ प्लेस में हो। आपको 3 asanas I am going to tell you which will help you to keep your healthy lifestyle and fitness from yourself. First one is Sukha Asana. This is the Sukha Asana. Come on this type. Come on this. This is Sukha Asana. Generally we sit. Drona Mudra we call this is Drona Mudra. Sukha means it is Ananda. While you are sitting on this position, you will feel the Ananda. On this position, you know your backbone supposed to be straight only. You can see this, not like this. Supposed to be straight only. You will feel that very cool and calm while you are eating anything, lunch, dinner, breakfast. On that time, if you sit and eat, your digestion capacity will improve, and you will feel the happiness. You can consume the more nutrition, so your saliva will be absorbed. And one more thing I will tell you: don't talk more or don't watch the screen any things while you are eating also. Okay, this is the good mudra for eating the time. While you are eating also, you keep it relaxed and feel that vibration and eating that Paramatma given you very nicely food for you. If food is not there for you, how the difficulties you feel think that. So this is the good asana for every time, Sukha Asana. That's what you will feel the energetic and ananda of this asana. Okay, another asana, after having food you can try another asana which is Vajra Asana. Vajra means your body
आपको मैं
will
इतना ही बोलना
become
चाहूँगा
a
कि
Vajra.
आपको ये पेंडेमिक
Means
में
strong food.
बहुत सारे
This asana
बीमारी ना
you can
आए
do it,
और
not
आपको
place on
सुस्त
your
रहना है
both
तो
leg,
ये कपालभाति करना है।
both
जैसे
leg
आप
in top of
रोज
that.
खाना खाते हैं,
Just
इसको आप
side by side
5
like
मिनट
this,
से
okay?
लेके
You can see
10
how I
मिनट
am
तक
doing
टाइम
this.
देंगे तो आप बीमार
So
नहीं
this is
पड़ोगे।
what you can
आपको ये अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ शेयर करिए, और आप फाइनेंशियली किसी को हेल्प नहीं कर पाते तो मतलब शेयर करके तो हेल्प कर सकते हैं ना, प्लीज़ करिए शेयर।
Asana for it is the only one asana. After having the meal, you can practice this asana. If you practice this asana, logically our body has 4 liter of blood. Okay, based on your age, 4 liter of, generally I am telling that 4 liter of blood. While you fold this, blood circulation it will be slow over here. All the blood circulation flow on your top. On that time, our stomach will be work on that more energetic one. Okay, that time energetic it will come means what if it will be come on large intestine to small intestine. It will be work them more faster. And every day 2 liter of blood is required for our blood, our brain. So from brain and stomach, we done that uplifted our blood level. So this is what sitting on after having meal. But लोग क्या करते हैं, people used to do this after having the meal. They used to go directly sleep. They used to go for walk, which is very wrong thing. You need to sit on. Okay, if you are going to sleep also, go and sleep, no problem. Sleep on left side. Okay, if you sleep on left side, your food will be on bowl. If you right side you sleep, bowl will become on like this. So it is a more work for them, and your blood level it will be increased, your heart chest level it will increase. That's why most of the people are getting heart attack for that only. Even I am doing also sometime, but after I come to know, so I feel that this is a things I need to correct from my end. So after that I will explain to everyone. So I have done it. I am not going to sleep suddenly while I finish my dinner, lunch and all. This is the good things. And energy level it is different time, different energy level will come. From morning level it will come little. After that having the meal it will come laziness and all. It will be less. In the evening time it will be very less. And if you take that boost and tea, coffee, you will feel more energetic. Same way people to people it will vary. This is the 2 asana. Okay. Third third asana I will tell you. Third asana, which is very nice asana for stomach level, for ananas level to stomach level, from your acidity level. Come on, like this. You seen this like asana? Indian toilet position. Everybody sit like this, okay? Nowadays we come to Western toilet. Even I am also using, but I feel sometimes it is very good asana for knee joints. You will not feel the knee joint if you are doing like these asanas. And sometimes you will feel after ages or after your changing of diet level. But this asana, if you feel, just sit in like this. Most of the kitchens, if you see that, they used to cook in down only, and our mom, our mothers, they used to sit like this. They will do some kind of work like this only, this position. This is very good asana for stomach burning, and your most of the disease create from your stomach level. That's what you need to create this asana. If you sit 5 to 10 minutes, you will feel very relaxed. Some people, they used to do like this. Don't do like this. Put it clearly like this. So you will feel the relaxation over here. Keep it on like this. Sometimes you sit. Okay. Anytime you can do this. It is very good for your stomach level health. 3 asanas if you practice every day. 3 asanas if you practice every day, I can make sure that you will not face any kind of stomach level problems and all. Because if stomach is your upset, kachra, it means all the garbage it will be started from your stomach, it will go from your all the nerves, it will create the destroy your life and all. Moreover, nowadays we are so lazy on that, we will not exercise, we will not put in all our any kind of difficult situations our life, because we are in more comfort zone. Come out from comfort zone, try it something which will help you to create your body own health. Because see, what you are earning for, if you say spend on behind doctor and hospital only, what is the earning of hard earning money by day night working job and all. So from that, if you are not healthy, so it is no point of view for taking the money lot of things, because everyone want money. Without money you can't live life. Whatever I am telling you, it will be if I charge the money, it is more worthful. Nowadays no free things. Nowadays aid also it is for you some cost, right? So don't think that it is free of. Everything is the paid. Okay, whatever you are doing in your day-to-day life, it is paid. So I am just taught you 3 asana. If I charge these videos, you will think it is good one, but I am not charging, because what I feel that you will feel also good one. Everyone is good. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः. सब लोग you will feel very good and energetic. This one it will get of vibration. That's what if I do for your goodness, my goodness will someone do. So this is the law of attraction, it work. That work. So thank you for watching my videos and all. Hope you feel this good and informative. Please comment me, like me, and share my videos for other help also. Don't keep with you. If you watched already this video, please don't keep with you, because some of things more important informations people doesn't know about that. So please, my request, humble request, please forward this video, because 3 asana if you practice, your sound health it will come on. Okay.